Welcome to this video tutorial, which will guide you through installing and configuring Azure DevOps and Jira project management tools into BoldDesk. Integrating BoldDesk software with project management tools allows you to easily track and manage your issues or work items directly from BoldDesk by linking them with tickets. This allows the support team and product engineers to collaborate and stay up to date on the status of issues. First, let me show you how to integrate BoldDesk with Azure DevOps. For a detailed video on this process, follow the link in the card above and the description below. To begin with, I need to configure OAuth in Azure DevOps to authorize the BoldDesk app. On the Azure DevOps admin page, I select the organization to integrate with BoldDesk and go to Organization Settings. Here, I choose Policies under Security and enable the third-party application access via OAuth policy. The next step is to install and configure the Azure DevOps app in BoldDesk. On the BoldDesk Admin Center, I open the Marketplace page and select the Azure DevOps app. Next, I click Install to open the Azure DevOps app configuration page. I choose an organization from the list and map their projects. On the Actions configuration section, I select the actions to be executed when a BoldDesk event occurs and vice versa. Selecting these actions allows you to control data syncing between Azure DevOps and BoldDesk. You can set the app visibility to all roles or specific roles. I choose all roles and click Save to save the configuration. Next, I will show you how to install and configure the Jira app in BoldDesk. For a detailed video on this, follow the link in the card above and the description below. I select the Jira app from the Marketplace and click Install. Next, I provide the Jira base URL, the username of the Jira account with admin access, and the API key. I select the Jira actions to be executed when a BoldDesk event occurs and vice versa. Selecting actions allows you to control data syncing between Jira and BoldDesk. Then, select the necessary Jira projects to link, and fields to be displayed in BoldDesk tickets. Next, map the Jira app and BoldDesk status and priority fields. Similarly, you can set the app visibility to all or to specific roles. I choose specific roles and save the configuration. And that's it. Stay tuned for more BoldDesk feature videos like this. Thanks for watching.